Traditional Chinese medicine defines the baseline of human health as a perfectly equitable, continuous internal economy of flowing energy. Systemic survival relies on all partners passing identical funds to one another. Equilibrium is maintained through constant, equal movement. Stagnation occurs when one part stops the flow to hoard resources. This excessive node creates a mechanical failure, starving the rest of the network. This is the 110 versus 90 imbalance. If Earth holds 110 units but fails to pass them on, it becomes excessive, depleting the next element. This bottleneck degrades the body's smooth melody of health into a baswaram, a discordant, jarring noise. Sickness is the result of a localized resource traffic jam. To restore health, we must clear the blockage and get the currency moving again. To fix the system, we must first measure the locations of the surplus and the deficit. Practitioners use pulse diagnosis as their primary telemetry tool. By reading the depth and quality of the pulse, they can identify exactly which element is hoarding energy and which is running empty. These readings are mapped onto the body's master blueprint, the Sheng cycle. The loop follows a strict sequence. Fire energy provides the foundation for earth, which flows forward to sustain metal. Metal condenses to feed water, which provides nourishment for wood to grow. Because the Sheng cycle is a single, unbroken chain, an intervention at any one node automatically triggers a cascade of effects throughout the entire network. This creates a unique mechanical challenge. How do you remove pressure from an overloaded node without disrupting the rest of the system? The protocol is counterintuitive. You do not attack the overloaded element directly. Instead, practitioners use the drain the child protocol. To reduce excess in one element, the mother, you stimulate the specific point associated with the element immediately downstream, the child. This functions as a localized siphon. By creating a demand for energy further down the line, it uses the system's own natural current to pull the stagnant pressure out of the overloaded node. Take a case where the earth element is hoarding a surplus of energy. To clear it, the practitioner needles SP5, the specific metal point located on the Earth meridian. Because metal is the child of Earth, activating this point acts as a pressure release valve, drawing the surplus energy away. This energy is not lost. Once pulled back into the Sheng cycle, it is rerouted through the network for equitable redistribution. The hoarding node drops back to its baseline of 100, while the starving node is replenished, restoring the entire economy to equilibrium. Acupuncture operates as a system of internal resource management. By using these built-in release valves to end stagnation, the body reclaims its own energy to allow the system to heal itself.